Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, smart entry key, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.